So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can create your ID card on Canva. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Go to canva.com, click student ID cards, click on your templates, I'll choose this, click on customize, edit your necessary process like pictures, address, date of birth, phone number, ID card number, name, school name, and terms and conditions, and your address, Gmail, website link, your school or college name. Okay, let's edit. First of all, remove pictures. Scroll down, edit example php thou ID card number 01, date of birth. This is fake, this is just for example, and address, dismiss, and color should be, I think, black and blue. And where bold, and this video is sponsored by psychontrad.com. Go and check this website. After completing your design of your ID card or editing of your ID card, now let's download. Click on share, click on download, click on download. Now your ID card is successfully downloaded on your PC as zip folder. this much for today. Until next video, bye bye. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment, and until next video, bye.